is an endless love flowing from the cross, finding every spirit that ever was lost. A pure, pure affection from heaven above. Thank you, Jesus, for this endless love. Past my flaws and see only gold, a story of mercy that never grows old. You walk by my side through the winter chill with a peaceful spirit, so quiet and still.